Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Kami po ay bumabati sa iyo ng maligayang kaarawan, Ma'am Maria Vilma Amor Salameda. Pagbati mula sa bahay pagkasa doon kay Development Center. Happy birthday sa aming mahal na presidente ng Municipal Security Agency na si Ma'am Maria Vilma Amor Salameda. More birthdays to come and God bless. Happy birthday! Pagbati mula sa DTI Tanawan, Batangas Security Detachment.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Vilma, Maria DTI Detachment. Salamat po sa inyo sa pagbibigay ninyo sa amin ng trabaho. Mabuhay ka po. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Vilma Salameda. Wish you all the best and more blessings to come. Happy birthday!
Magandang araw po mula sa Bahay Tuluyan Detachment. Kami po ay bumabati ng
Happy birthday, Ma'am Vilma Salameda! Yay! From everyone detachment, may the God make His day of your life as beautiful as golden as you are. May the God Almighty go on to add more years of happiness and good health to your life. Happy birthday, Ma'am Vilma Salameda, President of all Municipal Security Investigation Agency Incorporated. Yay!
Birthday, Ma'am, from all of us in Founding Detachment. Thank you for your support, guidance, and leadership. It's greatly appreciated. Mabuhay ka, Ma'am.
Kami po ang MP2 Guards na masayang bumabati sa iyo na happy birthday, Ma'am Vilma Salameda Amor. Mabuhay po kayo ng maraming taon.
Mula po dito sa DTI Paranaque Central Barracks Post, kami po ay bumabati sa presidente ng aming kumpanya, si Ma'am Vilma Amor Salameda ng maligayang arawan, kaugnay ng mundo, ang buhay ng kawan, pag-ibig, pag-asa, ang ating kalusugan. Muli, maligayang arawan mo sa inyo!